revenue management is not really new, but it's still got a long way to go. There's always a lot of conflict between the two. And the two needs to work for successful strategies. And that's what we will talk about today and tomorrow. So basically, this is our plan. I'll introduce you to revenue management very briefly. We'll talk about the evolution of revenue management, how it has changed over the last 10 years, 15 years, since the introduction of internet. It has changed so much the way we do our business. Chris will talk about digital journey and what is persona profiling, which is applicable just not to hotels, but to any industry for that matter. I think every company, whether it's food and manufacturing, household, or whatever, every company needs to have an effective website these days.